Shibanta Jangka National Disaster Management Authorities NDMA level earthquake monk exercise to Deputy Commissioner ka Southwest Khasi Hills District ringkat ka Jingkhynñiuh but ka District Disaster Management Authority DDMA lembat ka 1st Battalion Jangka National Disaster Response Force NDRF Nagahati menta ka sing ka partereng unai wing arhaja arpsau kila Pynlong ya ka mock drill halor ka jingkhynñiuh jumai ophis u Deputy Commissioner Mawkyrwat Southwest Khasi Hills District. Hakani ka mock exercise la pynphriang ya ka kynhun yele persha ya ki jingja ne ka incident response team IRT da ka incident command IC balayalam da uba LT Tariang MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner ka Southwest Khasi Hills District but UCO Jangka District Disaster Management Authority DDMA. Ka jingkhynñiuh baro kilabot renti ya ki jinggatha jong IC ha kaba la pynphriang ru ya baro ki benta jong ka Incident Command ki ba kynthup ya ka 1st Battalion NDRF balalam khamat da ulal ringsan INSP ka Operations Section Chief OSC ka Logistic Section Chief LSC ka Planning Section Chief PSC ka Staging Area SA ka Medical Aid Post MAP ka Offsite Control Room COR but ka Relief Camp Manager RCM. Ya kani ka mock exercise la Pynlong Kerpang ha office jong Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi Hills District ha kaba kidan khat arngun ki riew ki bala mensau kynthup ya arngut ki kynthei but iwei ikhlung kani ka drill ba kynthup ya ka jingpan kanria ka jingwat but palat im ka jingai jing sumar ningkong but ka jingkit ye ki riew ki ba mensau Lyngba ki ambulance sha medical camp but Mawkyrwat Civil Hospital. Hakani ka mock exercise la yoi ya ka jingishim benta ka barat ba na ki tnad baper kynthup ya ki officer but ki nong trei jong ka district ki pulen ki nong yada paidbah but ki nong apahara ying ki nong pelipding but ki kam ba penkir ki ka tnad ka kwat ka khia but ka kynhun NDRF Nagahati. Hadian kani ka mock exercise la Pynlong ya ka jingelang pensyai hak kamra jong ka Additional Deputy Commissioner room ka badan ha DC Office ha Mawkyrwat belalam khamat da uba LT Tariang MCS ringkat u Dr. ES Langshang District Disaster Management Officer DDMO ka Southwest Khasi Hills District.
There has been injuries. So all sections please take necessary action.
DDMA team as a whole from the district, you've worked very hard. Special thanks I would like to give to the team from under SP sir and the whole police team, including traffic and fire service. So we are very grateful. Not only the team from the police, but also we have the home guards and the NDRF. I think without the forces in any disaster, I don't think that any operation will be possible. So I think they deserve a very big hand for the support. Please, everyone, please give them a very big hand for all the forces that they have given us the support. And it's not only on the mock drill that we have seen the support of the forces, but also during the COVID and other disaster that we had in this district. Special thanks to this health department and all district heads. They have taken the job seriously. Yesterday we had the briefing during the tabletop exercise, where we have briefed all the officers what are the roles and responsibilities. So I hope that you go back and recheck and relook at your plan and update the plan of the department so that it suits the district. So that if in case of any disaster, in case of any event, then we will be able to respond as quick as we can. Today we started at around 11, and then we compared the data of all the sections. The data the data is after comparison. There's no discrepancy in the data. We've seen that we've compared between the relief and the health, and then other sections also. The total number of casualties comes to 12, and where one child and 2 women were rescued, and the rest which is 10 number of males. And display by the NDRF, I think very impressive work by the NDRF. And then not only it's about display, it's about also teaching us that we should take things seriously. And we do not hope for a disaster, but we hope that we are prepared and we are ready in case of any in the near future or in the future. So with these words, I would like to thank each and every team for this exercise, and it was a successful exercise in the district. And even though not big as last time when we had the mock exercise, but this time I think it was conducted successfully under the leadership of the Deputy Commissioner, and also under the guidance of the DMO and the Superintendent of Police. So with these words, I would like to thank each and every one of you.
Is today regarding the earthquake preparedness. So I would like to thank all the participants, especially the IRTs of Southwest Kazil District, being in a short span of times. So as direction from DC, we should organize here as a surprise. But we have only a short span of time, so I hope these operations, so this preparedness will be improved day by day in our work, in our office, in wherever we are. So take this as a top priority regarding the disaster in future. So I would like also to thank the NDRF personnel. They came all the way from Kuwait to rescue our people, to save the life of people here in Southwest during this exercise. So I take this regards to all the commandant of 1st Battalion NDRF in Kuwait. So thank you so much for your time. So thank you so much all the participants and the casualties also. So I hope with this short span of time, or this short period of this exercise, and then we'll be learn more and more in future related to disaster. So as you know, our Mawkyrwat, we are in Zone 5 actually in terms of seismicity. So the Ministry of Home Affairs and the NDMA, so our Mawkyrwat is not anymore in Zone 5. It will be upgrade into Zone 6 in terms of disaster. So we have to prepare. So we have to make our rules and responsibility in each in every fields of our life. That's why life is important than anything else. So without life, so we can do anything. So that's why take these opportunities, take this knowledge or any kind of lesson learned from this exercise. So we need some suggestion from you also to give us feedback and comments related to this exercise, so we can improve day by day from time to time, especially to save our people here in Southwest Kazil District, in the states and in India as a whole. Thank you so much, and I request our